What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today we're talking about Samsung's One UI 4 update. Now they're showing details on the One UI 4 beta, and we're looking for the actual One UI 4 to be released around December of this year. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and if you're new or returning, make sure you hit that like button. It definitely helps out the channel. So without any further ado, we're going to go into some details. So let's go. Alright, so just a brief overview of the One UI 4 beta update, which will primarily have these similar features in the main update that's going to be released in December. There's going to be a home screen update, so it's going to allow you to have more info as well as your lock screen, and you're always on display. It'll allow you to select different type of media outputs and see more information, and should be a simpler look. Now the quick settings panel is also being redesigned, and as well as the dark mode, with different widgets and apps now being accessible to that dark mode feature. Now you're going to also have a update to the charging effect, so you're just going to have a little new animation. The Samsung keyboard is also being updated, and it now allows you to send different dual emojis. So if you're feeling two different type of ways about something, you can now send two emojis to represent your emotions and your expression. The quick sharing and the sharing overall will be updated as well, so it should make it a lot easier, and the functionality of it should be a lot simpler for the users to use. The camera and the gallery are also seeing updates. It should be a cleaner look, and the Pro mode is also getting an update to be a more simpler look. Now the photo and the video editor app is also getting an update. They added the remaster feature to photos. The AR emoji is also getting updated, and the multitasking feature will also be updated between different devices and on your primary device. So this will be incorporated in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The settings and digital well-being will also be updated, as well as the clock and the calendar, message, and my files will be updated. The Samsung internet will have a completely refreshed look. Samsung Health will also get an update, will allow you to coordinate between your Samsung watch and your phone a little bit more seamlessly, and allows you a little bit more expression and functionality. For those who use Bixby and the routines and those accessibility features, they will be seeing a overhaul as well. Now also, Samsung has updated the privacy settings. Everyone likes their privacy, and Samsung is making sure they add those privacy settings in there to protect your information at all costs. Some sources are saying that this update will be similar and kind of mimic the iPhone update, but Samsung has already made their mark in the technology and phone industry, so they don't tend to copy, and they tend to more innovate. But we shall see when this update comes out. I just wanted to make this video short and sweet for you guys to enjoy. Hopefully this information was helpful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and that like button if you're appreciating any of the content. It definitely helps the channel out, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.